Good morning, students. We learn about operations of real number. How to represent operations of real number. For example, यानी operations करने what is the real number में भी हम सबसे पहले किसका करेंगे? We learn about irrational numbers. What is irrational numbers? The number that is not terminating, non-recurring. They are known as irrational numbers. For example, under root 2, under root 3, under root 5, under root 6, under root 7, and so on. These numbers are irrational numbers. Why we say that these are irrational? Because they give the result non-terminating, non-recurring. यानी इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि इनका रिजल्ट निकालोगे तो आपका न तो टर्मिनेट होगा और न ही वो यानी सेम आएगा, सेम नहीं आएगा. दे कम रिजल्ट कम ऑलवेज इन चेंजिंग फॉर्म. फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे हमने अंडर रूट 2 का फाइंड आउट किया है. अंडर रूट 2, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ अंडर रूट 2? फर्स्ट यू फाइंड द वैल्यू. यानी इससे ठीक बिलो फुल स्क्वायर नंबर इज 1. 1 is square of 1. First you find the value 1, shift it here. Remainder is 1. Now shift. अब देखिए यहाँ पर आपने 1 to 1 रख दिया और 1 को ऐड कर दिया. It's become 2. Okay. Now shift the 1. 00 शिफ्ट करना आपको क्योंकि ये अंडर रूट फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं हम. We find out the under root square root of the numbers. So you shift double zeros. Okay, it's become 100. Now shift the number with 2, then multiply the same number. The result is not more than 200. For example, you shift 2 with 4 with 2, it's become 24. 24 multiplied by 4, the result is 96. That is below 200. So you can shift 4 8 here and shift 4 8 here also. Result is 96. Again the difference between both are 4. Now again shift double zero, it's become 400 and add 4 with 24, it's become 28. लेकिन आपको कॉपी में इसको रिप्रेजेंट नहीं करना है, आपको ओरली इसको ऐड करना है 4 को. इट्स बिकम 28. विच नंबर शिफ्ट विथ 28? देन द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ शिफ्टेड नंबर विथ रिजल्टिंग नंबर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने 1 शिफ्ट किया तो या 2 शिफ्ट कर देता हूँ, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करूँ तो ये नंबर जो होगा इससे अबव जाएगा. सो यू कैन शिफ्ट ओनली 281 and multiply by 1, then result is 281. Result is at here. Now subtract the number from given number. इसमें से इसको लेस करना है. Result is 9 and 1 and आगे क्या लिखूं बताइए? 1. Again shift double zero, it's become 11,900 and shift it here 1, add with 1, it's become 282. इसको आपको शो नहीं करना है यहाँ पर, यहाँ इसको शो करना है. नाउ शिफ्टिंग द नंबर विथ 282 एंड मल्टीप्लाई द सेम नंबर. इसका बहुत बड़ा हो गया, अब हम फाइंड आउट कैसे करें? यू टेक ओनली 2 फर्स्ट डिजिट ऑफ द स्टार्टिंग डिजिट ऑफ द नंबर 2. अब 2 को इससे डिवाइड करोगे 2 डिजिट्स में तो हाउ मेनी टाइम्स 11 डिवाइडेड बाय 2? मैक्सिमम 5 टाइम. तो यू विल ट्राई फॉर 1 टाइम, शिफ्ट 5 एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. रिजल्ट इज नॉट मोर देन टू दिस नंबर. तो रिजल्ट इज 5 1 जा 5. देखो कोई भी नंबर है जिसको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना हो तो देन यू शिफ्ट 0 विद नंबर एंड डिवाइड बाय 2. द रिजल्ट इज 225. दैट इज मोर देन 2 given number. So 5 is not accepted by us. So again try for shifting 4 and multiply by 4. Result is 6 6 4 4 जा 16. Carry forward 1 9 32 3 11. It is less than 2 given number. So you can shift 4. And result will become not repeating, not terminating. न तो रिपीट होगा न ही टर्मिनेट होगा. सो यू कैन से दिस नंबर इज irrational number. Okay, now the operations with real numbers, operations with irrational numbers. if प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू इरेशनल नंबर, जैसे आपने रेशनल नंबर का प्रोडक्ट किया था, फॉर एग्जांपल 2 into 2, इट इज रिजल्ट फॉर रेशनल नंबर. बट इन इरेशनल नंबर always not rational, not irrational, may be rational. If under root 2 into under root 2 equal to under root 4, that is equal to 2. 2 is rational but under root 2 is irrational. So you can say the product of two same irrational number is rational. But if both are not same, may be rational or irrational. For example, I take 12 into 3. Result is 36, that is equal to 6. 12 and 3 both are irrational, but result is rational. So we cannot say the result product of two irrational number may be rational or irrational. Okay, but if both numbers in root are prime numbers, then result is always irrational. For example, under root 5 into under root 3, it is equal to under root 15. Result is irrational. Then we can say irrational. Why? Because both numbers in square root are prime numbers, and product of prime number is always irrational. But in first example, 12 is not prime number, but 3 is prime number. So you can say the result may be irrational or rational. Clear? Now next step. Sum of two irrational is always irrational. For example, under root 3 plus under root 2, it is equal to irrational. Result will be irrational. And again, under root 12 plus under root 5, it is also irrational. Clear, student? Again we learn about, we can say the sum of irrational number is always irrational, and subtraction of irrational may be rational if both are same. For example, under root 2 minus under root 2 is equal to 0. 0 is rational. If both are not same, then you can say the result is irrational. For example, 12 minus under root 2 has to check the number and make the factors of 12. It is equal to under root 2 into under root 2 into 3 and under root 2. Which number is common in both? Under root 2 is common in both. Then you can write 6 minus 1, that is irrational. So you can say this number is irrational. Okay, in next step we learn about, for example, 6 under root 5 plus 2 under root 15 plus 2 under root 3. What is the result of this question? Has to make the perfect prime factor of under root 15. What is the perfect factor of under root 15? You can make under root 3 into under root 5 plus 2 under root 3. Okay, but in both which number is common? 2 root 3 is common in both because 6 can be written in form of 2 into 3 into and root 3. So you can write 2 and root 3 take in common, and result is remaining part is you can write 3 and root 5 plus 1. It is also irrational. ये भी क्या हुआ? इरेशनल हुआ। यानी हिंदी में जो बोलेंगे परिमेय और अपरिमेय होते हैं, तो जहाँ इरेशनल आता है तो वहाँ पर हिंदी में बोलेंगे अपरिमेय, और इंग्लिश में परिमेय कहते हैं। तो थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है। नाउ वी लर्न अबाउट रेशनलाइजेशन ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन। Rationalization of fractions. For example, we learn about 2 upon and root 3. Rationalizing number. For the rationalization of the number, we multiply by and root 3 up and down. हमेशा आपको रखना है किसको? जो डिनोमिनेटर में नंबर दे रखा है उस नंबर से अप एंड डाउन बोथ आर multiplied by the same number. So you can write and root 3 upon and root 3. It is equal to 2 and root 3 divided by 3. Because we know that and root 3 into and root 3 is equal to 3. Okay? Because both numbers are same. If product of two same irrational number, result always rational. Clear? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। अब सम प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रेशनल नंबर। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई गिव a into b. It is represent in form of and root a into and root b is the result of given irrational number. And again second property, a by b. It is represent in form of and root a upon and root b. For example, such as I give 12. 12 can be represented in form in and root 2 into and root 2 into and root 3. That is exactly result of given. But both are same, so you can write it as 2 root 3. Is the final result of 12. Okay. Again I give a result and root 15 divided by 16. What is the result of given irrational number? So you can write, has to make the factor of 15. What is the factor of 15? You can write 3 into 5 is the factor of 15. And what is the factor of 16? 16 can be written in form of 4 into 4 and 2 into 2 into 2 up to 4 times. The final result will be 3 under root 5 divided by 4 is the result. Clear? So you can write the result is and root 15 by 4. Now I take a next example. If and root a plus and root b square, what is the result of this? We know that it is represented in form of a plus b and a plus b. Okay, because there the power is 2, so you can write it as a and root a plus b and root a plus b. First you multiply a by a, so it is become a square. Again a multiply by b, then you can write ab in form of this. Okay, again plus b multiply by a, but always in alphabetical order. you write A before to B. So you can write A into B. Why? Because I multiply and root B to A. Again B to B, but there is sign is plus, and also here plus, plus into plus, plus B whole square. But we know that whole square means A and root A equal to A, and B and root B into B equal to B. So you can write, it is written form of, तो इसे किस रूप में लिख सकते हैं अपन? द रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस इज इक्वल टू A प्लस B प्लस 2 and root AB under the root AB. Why? Because under root AB, under the root AB come two times. So you can write A plus B, take together. Both are rational numbers, but it is irrational. If rational number add with irrational, result is always irrational. So you can write A plus B plus 2 and root AB is irrational. Clear? चलिए, ऐसे if there is minus sign, then result affect only on this side. Plus, both are in positive sense, but it may be negative. If here is negative sign, so you can write negative sign, any subtraction sign. If result plus sign, then you can write plus sign. Okay. Now we take next. If under root A plus under root B and under root C plus under root D, there are four different numbers. What is the result of given number? Result will be, first multiply A by C. Result will be AC. Clear? Then A multiply by D, या फिर इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं अंडर रूट C प्लस D. Again B under root B multiply by both numbers C plus under root D. Clear? Now A multiply by both under root AC, again A to D plus sign AD and B to C, then result will be BC, again and root BD. The result, finally the result will be this. If there is minus sign and here is plus sign, then sign will be come according to given sign. तो उसी के अकॉर्डिंग क्या आएगा, साइन आएगा, और ऐसे अपन फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ वी फाइंड द रेशनलाइजेशन ऑफ द नंबर्स. अब रेशनलाइजेशन कैसे करेंगे फ्रैक्शन का? एनी फ्रैक्शन गिवन इन फॉर्म ऑफ √3 बाई √2. रेशनलाइज नंबर मैंने अभी बताया था कि रेशनलाइज करने से पहले आपको डिनोमिनेटर चेक करना है. इफ डिनोमिनेटर कम इन irrational number, so first you change the irrational number into rational. and irrational number से rational कैसे बनाएंगे? by the same multiplying by same numbers. We can write it as under root 2 multiply by under root 2, because here is under root 2, so multiply by same number. The result will be under root 6 by 2. It is your answer. Again I say give a number to you under root 3 by under root 7. By which number we multiply denominator and numerator? Directly we multiply by under root 7, because denominator is under root 7, so you can write under root 7 by under root 7. The result will be √21 डिवाइड बाई 7। ये तो थोड़ा सा नॉर्मली क्वेश्चन थे, और थोड़ा सा हार्ड क्वेश्चन भी ले सकते हैं। तो हार्ड क्वेश्चन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ 1/√a प्लस √b, what is the result of this question? If there is sign plus, then you multiply anti sign। देखो आपने यूज करके देखा होगा अर्लियर क्लास में इसका a minus b। What is the result of this? Result of this will be a minus b। Clear? But here is sign is plus, so you multiply anti sign। Denominator and numerator both are multiplied by a minus b। Final result will be √a minus √b divided by, because both are different in sign, so you can write directly a minus b। a minus b is the result। Clear? Now again we take a question, √3 minus √2। What is the result of given question? You multiply denominator and numerator by anti sign, that is √3 plus √2, and divide by √3 plus √2। जस्ट अपोजिट नंबर से क्या करना पड़ेगा, नंबर को यानी साइन जो है प्लस आ जाए तो माइनस से, और माइनस हो तो प्लस से। द रिजल्ट में भी √3 प्लस √2, बिकॉज हियर इज 1 को मैं इन दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करता हूँ तो रिजल्ट विल बी सेम नंबर, सो यू कैन राइट 3 minus 2। द रिजल्ट ऑफ 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, so finally the result is 3 minus 2, that is irrational number। It is irrational number। Again finally I take a number, और इसका तो अगला जो वीडियो आएगा उसमें और एक्सरसाइज लेंगे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई गिव यू √2 √5 माइनस √3। चलिए मैं यहाँ पर 2 लिख देता हूँ। व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ द गिवन क्वेश्चन? फाइनली वी मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर बाई √5 प्लस √3 divide by √5 plus √3। Clear? Now you can write 2 into √5 plus √3 divide by, both are same in number but sign is different। We know that a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square, but here is number is in √, so you can write √5 whole square minus √3 whole square, it is equal to 2 √5 plus √3, and finally result will be -3। 2 into √5 plus √3 divide by 2, 2 to cancel, the finally result will be √3, and it is also irrational number। Why? If two irrational numbers, sum is always irrational। Thank you।